That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Hook, line, sinker, cast. We going fishing. Cut bait, then wait. Come here, kitten. Come on, blue cat. Big blue.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back in. We're out here trying to catch more fish. Got some night crawler on the right, couple pieces of skipjack. It's very cold, so I might not make it very long. It's probably like 25 degrees. And we couldn't get quite where we wanted to today. I would have got water in my boots, but we're gonna give this spot an hour, a couple hours maybe, I don't know yet. Depends on how cold I get, so hopefully we catch something. In the meantime, I'm gonna go make a fire. I'll see you in a little bit.
Sun's finally coming out. It's been overcast all morning. Maybe that'll get the fish a little bit more active. Still pretty cold. Just checked the phone, 29 degrees. Well, this one we got a little night crawler and some little, I don't know what you would call those. Kind of like power bait, but they're made for like carp. Got my 3-ounce sinker as always on the sinker slide. Bead to the swivel. Still got the 30-pound mono. So we'll chuck it back out there. Got any action on it? We'll just throw it back out there. Great cast, Brian. Great cast, Brian. I know, right? Thank you. It's really cold outside, but I'm actually not cold. Surprisingly. Invested in some bibs. Should have done that a long time ago. Got my boots on. Keep my feetsies warm. Allow me to step in the mud, get my feet wet. So we were trying to go to a different spot where you had to walk through, I don't know. Last time I did it was ankle deep water. This time when I went over there this morning, it would have been waist deep water. So we didn't do that. So here we go. 3-ounce sinker slide to my bead, swivel, 30-pound mono, of course. I got some skippy jack. Got my Gatsu circle hook. And we'll just throw this one back out there. Flick the wrists and let it do the work. Man, it's a great cast. Every time. Get it out there in the current a little bit. Boy, when that sun comes out, it does make a huge difference. Got my fire over there by my little tripod chair. Keep my hands warm. Got a nice little piece on there. Could probably use a bigger hook on this, but I don't really feel like retying at the moment. So we'll leave this little guy on there. If someone takes it, we'll catch him. As long as I'm not too slow on the hook set. You know what I mean? Chuck her out there.
Yep. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Not freezing for no reason. Good fish.
Oh yeah, we got a good fish. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm the papa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Blue cat. Oh, look how pretty he is. Is that an albino? Shut the front door. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful fish, man. Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you. Oh, it's beautiful. Don't fall. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. That's what we're looking for.
See you later. Yes.
All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on. Don't see no limits. All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Appreciate everybody watching, everybody listening, everybody supporting, sharing, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, dropping comments below. I appreciate you guys. I know you guys been wanting to hear me drop some music, but I had to wait till it was the right time, and it's the right time. So if you like what you like, let me know, and I'll make some more.
Trash cans right there. Boat ramp right there. Come on. It's not that hard, people. Let's go.